Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Linux, the cannot execute binary file, exec format error occurs when you try to execute a file that is not in a valid executable format. This error usually indicates that the file you are trying to run is either not a compiled binary executable or it was compiled for a different architecture. Here's a tutorial to help you understand and troubleshoot this error. 1. Check the file type. Before you try to execute a file, it's important to check its type using the file command. This will help you determine if the file is indeed a binary executable. For example, 2. Verify the architecture. Make sure that the binary executable file is compiled for the same architecture as your system. You can check your system's architecture using the uname command and compare it with the architecture of the binary using the file command. 3. Check for dependencies. If the binary executable file has dependencies, ensure that all required libraries are installed on your system. You can use tools like LDD to check the dependencies of the binary executable file. 4. Check for file corruption. Sometimes the binary executable file may be corrupted, leading to the exec format error. Try re-downloading or recompiling the file to see if the issue persists. 5. Cross-compile for the correct architecture. If you are trying to run a binary executable compiled for a different architecture, you may need to cross-compile the file for your system's architecture. This involves using a cross-compiler tool chain to build the binary executable file for the correct architecture. Example. Let's say you have a binary executable file named my_program that is compiled for a different architecture. You can try cross-compiling it using a tool chain like GCC for your system's architecture. By following these steps and troubleshooting tips, you should be able to resolve the cannot execute binary file, exec format error in Linux Bash.